What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you're having a great day so far. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Shiba Inu has had just unprecedented growth, especially in this bear market cycle that we're currently in, which is extremely impressive. Okay. Several of the other content creators and myself do talk about Shiba Inu quite a bit on our channels, and that is because there has been growth not only in the ecosystem itself, but the number of people that are holding the Shiba Inu token. So I want to go ahead and dive into this. But before we do, if you are new to the channel or haven't already, again, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, you'll get notified anytime content is live on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. So Shiba Inu has actually added over 35,000 individual wallets, 35,000 new holders in the past 3 months, despite being in the depths of the bear market. So why this is impressive is, these are the times where there's a lot of money being extracted from crypto. So you would expect to see, projects losing holders. Okay. You'd expect to see that number going down, but the growth has been really good. So, it's despite the price doing what it's doing. In particular, as of September 23rd, Shiba Inu had 1,226,030 holding addresses, adding about 35,834 new holders within 3 months. So it actually represents a growth of about 3% from June 27th, it said. And you can kind of see a chart here showing that growth over this period of time. Now, why is this happening is kind of a big question. Well, if you're not familiar, Shiba Inu has been increasing in utility. Okay, Shiba Inu launched as a meme coin. There wasn't really any planned utility. It was actually a spoof off of Dogecoin. If you're not familiar, now Shiba Inu has been expanding. Okay, there's so many things coming to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Thank you. I can actually speak now. The Shiba Inu ecosystem, that it's hard not to want to dive in. Now, obviously, here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, we don't give financial advice or anything like that. But, we can at least make you aware of some of the things that are going on. So Shiba Inu is actually going to be launching their own layer 2 chain, which is, supposed to be coming out here very soon. They are launching the Shiba Eternity game, which actually, may be live at the time that you're watching this video, but October 1st is the launch date for that. You have the SHIB Metaverse, which is coming too. There's different burn protocols that are being implemented as well. All this stuff that is coming and helping increase adoption for SHIB, right? So this is obviously a very good thing for the ecosystem, and, holders are witnessing this. And I think this is a big reason why there's a lot of people that are jumping on board and making sure they secure their bag of Shiba Inu before the next bull run starts. So obviously just wanted to keep you guys updated on the things that are happening in Shiba Inu. It's very, very cool stuff. There's going to be even more coming. There's new and more stuff developed for Shiba Inu every single day. So, which is why there's endless content to continue reporting on. So, but as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something new. And, obviously, if you weren't aware that this growth is happening, you are now. So, again, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, you'll get notified when any content is live here on the channel. And we make a ton of it. Okay, we work hard to make sure we bring you guys all the latest and greatest news so that you guys can keep updated and keep luck on your side, just like me. Hope you guys have a great one, and hope to see you in the next video. Take care, guys.